Okay, now One UI Home Launcher is one of the best launchers available in the market right now on any Android phone. And this launcher offers some amazing features which every Samsung Galaxy phone user should know. Now you might be new to Samsung, you might have recently bought a Galaxy S23 series or any other Galaxy phone. This video is going to help you know what One UI Home Launcher is all about. So let's dive right into the video. Now let's say you have set multiple home pages or home screens on your device and we swipe to the left or right to go to the next page. Now let's say if you want to set a particular page or a particular layout to show up as default home screen every time you swipe up from the bottom or tap on the home button, all you need to do is just press and hold on the home screen. Now let's say I want this particular layout as my default home page. I can just tap on this home icon on the top, which will set this particular page as home screen. Now it doesn't matter which page you are on, every time you swipe up from the home screen or tap on the home button, it is going to take you to the default home screen. Another minor thing to note here is we can also tap on these dots here at the bottom to navigate to different home pages. Now let's press and hold on the home screen. Let's go to the extreme left. Here on the latest Galaxy phones, we will be able to see two different options. One is Google Discover, the other one is Samsung Free. If both are available on your phone, you can select any one you want depending on your preferences. I would prefer Google Discover to Samsung Free. You select the one you want, and if you don't need it, you can just toggle this off so that you don't have to see this when you swipe towards the extreme left. Now let's talk about the widgets. One UI Home offers some amazing widgets on the Galaxy phones, and not just that, it also offers a feature called stacked widgets on One UI 5.0 and above. To set up a widget, all you need to do is press and hold on the home screen, tap on widget. Here we have got the entire list of widgets, whichever you want, you can set this up. One special useful widget which Samsung released on One UI 5.0 was the Smart Suggestions. This widget will suggest the applications and actions based on how you use your phone. All your frequently used applications will show up here, and if you want to see the actions, you can just tap on this icon on the top right corner, which will show you the recent action. So this is a fantastic widget. You should have it on your home screen. Now to create a stack widget, all you need to do is press and hold on a particular widget. You will see an option create stack. Just tap on this, select any widget you want and add it here. To access these multiple widgets, you can just swipe across towards the left or towards the right. That is a cool feature we have. Now to set the widgets, you don't really have to press and hold on the home screen and tap on widgets. You can also press and hold on a particular app. If that app offers the widget, you can just drag and drop these widgets on the home screen. There are some amazing, beautiful widgets offered on One UI Home Launcher. I would suggest you to go ahead and check all the widgets out. Most of the widgets will be really useful in your day-to-day life. Now we can just swipe up and access the app tray. This is the app tray we have. Now from the application tray, if you want to add multiple applications on the home screen, just press and hold on the application and tap on select. Here you select the applications you want to add to the home screen, or you can also create a folder by tapping on create folder option here on the top right. When you tap on create folder, it will create a folder on the app tray itself, not on the home screen. Once you have created it, you can just press and hold on this particular folder and then add it to the home screen. Now the next step is about arranging all these icons. Let's say all these applications are scattered all over your home screen. All you need to do is select an application by pressing and holding on it. Now you can select multiple applications here. Press and hold on any of the applications that you have selected and then drag and drop it in the area where you want to rearrange them. All the icons will uniformly get rearranged there. Now again, here if you want to create a folder, you can do that by selecting multiple applications. Now let's go back to the app tray again. Now here on the top, we have got search option. When you tap on search, here you will be able to search all the applications, the settings, the files in your files application, images or screenshots in your gallery. It's a very intelligent search bar that we have here right on top. Once you tap on the search bar and tap on this three dot button on the top right, you will be able to go to the settings for this particular search bar. Here you will see the Finder settings. Of course, that bar is called the Finder. And if you want to add the Finder to the application screen, you can toggle this on. You will be able to see an app icon on the home screen. This adds an application icon on the home screen or on the app tray by tapping on which we can directly access the Finder. A few toggles here for search suggestions, so you can select the one you want. Now let's press and hold on the home screen and tap on One UI Home Launcher settings. Here we have got options to customize the home screen layout and app screen layout. There is one limitation here though. Here on home screen and app screen grid options, we have got maximum grid size of 5:6. However, we can increase this grid size through a good lock module called Home. Now the good lock is something which is not supported in all the countries and on all the devices. If you have an access to good lock, you can use Home module to increase the grid size here and add some additional functionalities. Now there are a few more switches here which will enable us to lock the home screen layout, add new apps to the home screen whenever you download them from Play Store, and then we have got hide apps on home and app screens. This is a cool feature. We can tap on this and select the application you want to hide from your home screen and the app tray so that these apps are not accessible to anybody else who have an access to your phone. But of course, this is not foolproof. One can always go to the Finder and tap on this three-dot button to access the Finder settings. And here we have got a toggle called Show Hidden Apps. If you turn this on, you will be able to see all the hidden applications. One thing we really want Samsung to do is to provide an application lock feature. A lot of Samsung users have been requesting for this. I hope we get this feature on Samsung's One UI Home launcher. Apart from that, we have got some more settings on home screen settings. We can enable this toggle to add app icon badges, which will show with number or with just an orange dot indicator. Another useful toggle is swipe down for notification panel. If you enable this, you can just swipe down on any part of the screen to access the notification panel. Apart from this, One UI Home Launcher also allows us to rotate the home screen to landscape mode, so we can enable this toggle. As you can see, I am able to use the phone's home screen in landscape mode. Now again, when we press and hold on the home screen, we have got a couple of more options at the bottom left. Wallpaper and style, and then we have got themes. We can directly access the themes or wallpapers right from your home screen launcher itself. This is the One UI Home Launcher for you guys. If you are new to Samsung, I hope this video helped you understand the One UI Home Launcher on your Galaxy phone. That is all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. If you find this useful, do hit the like button and become a part of Apex community to know your phone better. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.